So for this part of the video, we're going to install our J-trims and our eave lining boards. Line the perimeter of the eave with J-trim, measuring the opposite side from the wall and the two ends. On a typical project, there will be a fascia end on both ends and opposite side. Measure and cut your J-trim hard up against the wall. Make sure the open end of the J-trim is facing towards you. Once you have cut to length, secure with our button head screws, 450mm centers. Remember not to over tighten to allow for expansion and contraction. On a project, when you get an open end, you can cut your J-trim at the 45-degree angle or a 20mm tab method, as we did for the windows, to create the corner. Once all the trims are fastened, we need to measure up for the boards. Remove 5mm from each end of the eave lining board. When you install the first board, it's crucial to make sure it's square. Make sure when you install the following boards are hooked on correctly before screwing off. Repeat the process until your eaves are completed.